Okay guys, we're here na sa ating MFHF. So ang brand nitong MFHF natin is Furuno. So just in case of other instruction on how to operate this, meron tayo dito yan sa baba. Ayan. On how to operate this radio. But for now, we are going to test this equipment para malaman natin if this properly working condition. Okay. So first, what we need to do on how to test is may option tayo dito. So test tayo. Pindutin lang natin itong test. Ayan. So may dalawang option dito. Which test do you carry out? So meron daily and self-check. So pareho lang din naman silang diagnostic test. Okay. So ang pinagkaiba lang nila, itong daily ginagawa natin para malaman natin if itong equipment na to is gumagana, yan, properly working condition. And yung sa self-check naman, ito yung mismong control unit, no, kung nagpa-function nga ba. So ang siselect natin ngayon is itong daily. So pihitin lang natin dito, ito yung tinatawag nating control knob. Okay, so pag pihit nyo yan pa right side, then pwede nyo pindutin yung enter. Ito sa center knob, click nyo yan, tulak. Ayan. So daily test September 24, 2023 by 11:42 local time. So wait lang natin. Lalabas yan sa ating printer unit just in case na maging successful yung ating test. So wait for the moment lang. Yan guys, receiver 1, okay. Then wait natin yung TRX. Yan guys, kung mapapansin nyo, yung ating diagnostic test na kinarried out is successful. Ayan, nalabas yung mga information dito coming from the MFHF radio. Okay, so next naman natin yung tinatawag nating INMC terminal unit, or ito yung Inmarsat C. Okay, so ganun lang din gagawin natin, napakasimple lang, diagnostic test lang. So ito yung keyboard. Ayan, so press nyo lang tong F7. Ayan, then lalabas yung mga option dito, login, logout, abort, select NCS, ocean region, LES information and test. So ngayon mag-undergo tayo ng test number 7. So enter natin. Ayan, so meron tayong mga option ulit dito, PB test, PB test result, diagnostic test, and distress button test. So for now, ang pwede lang natin gawin dito is itong diagnostic test, kasi itong PB test na yan and distress button test is hawak na yan ni second officer, so hindi natin siya pwedeng galawin. Okay, so ngayon mag-diagnostic test lang tayo. Since nandito na siya sa diagnostic test number 3, so enter nyo lang siya. Ayan, then start, enter ulit. So wait lang natin, lalabas dyan kung naging successful nga ba yung ating diagnostic test. Ayan, so kung mapapansin nyo guys, yung ating diagnostic test ay all okay. So meaning to say, this equipment are in properly working or good working condition. So kapag may lumabas dyan isa na NG is not good or no good. So I hope that this video will help to you, no, para sa mga aspiring seafarer din dyan or cadet na sasampa pa lang. So ngayon, may idea na kayo on how to operate this type of terminal unit. Okay? So keep safe and God bless.